Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this funny wall art like this, so you can sell it on how you can sell it on Etsy. So you take a picture of what you want, for example this one, and you take a screenshot for that, and you go to Google or any AI site and recreate a similar Unix spin made for ultra realistic. So do this, and you if it cannot upload, use Google. Google is free, and Microsoft also have a co-pilot, so you can choose them. What have we in them? Here we have one funny. So we will generate image, and this is very good the image this is. So we will have to cut it off, or you can choose choose this, and you take other one of this if you want to remove the watermark. So second is you go to Copilot, okay, we do so Copilot, and we do same, and we add image file, and this is where I prefer, because you don't have to have no watermark on this. There will not be the same image, but you get the same result. So there you have it. This very good, not adapt on what I wanted, but this you can change it to a dash hound, I think it is where. Okay, more. Now we have a good image you can save, and this also. So I want dashes, but I like this also. So you can choose them, download on your PC, and then you go to Gumroad, and you log in, and then you add a new product and digital product, name it, and name a price and all this. If you want, this is all. If you want more, I will more of this. Then when you have done this, you go to Canva. I will show you now. I will show you, but you can choose a different design if you want. So we're gonna upload. Okay, this was bad for me, but we download this and we take this and we take this on this. Okay, did not work. Download, take this. So there we have it, and we take an element and we choose wall art mockup. Then you have it, and you can see all these things about. So I think we're gonna do this one. So, and then you take it and you put it. So then you have it, and then you download it to has a image show image or I do make sure it's not this side. This is too big. This is too big. Family side. You do Pinterest. You have in the you have Pinterest. Pinterest. Okay. Templates. Okay, they're going for templates. So pin a post and you get the exposure you want to have here. And then if you want, when you're done it, you go down and you go to Pinterest. And you the post and you choose skapa a new what do you call it, board, new board, and you choose mockups or something, and then you add it, add a new pin. So add a new pin like so, and you upload it mockup here, and you add the link, genre link here, and you ask ChatGPT or Google or anyone write the description. You can also do it on the Gumroad. So there you have it. It's a fast tutorial here, but you know what you got. Otherwise it will be a very long video. But